share screen करा ना. Good evening.
Screen sharing is share screen.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Not okay, not it.
Hello. Good evening. Can you all hear me? Are you able to hear me? Yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Now, today I will, good evening. Very, very good evening. Yes. Today I will give you the sums to try first. And I'll give you a good 2 minutes because today may be the concluding lecture for straight lines. And I expect that all the sums you will be doing on your own today. Of course, I'll be showing you the solution to every sum. I will explain you, but still I want you to do the sums on your own. And we will complete all the varieties. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we start. Find equation of the line through 5 comma minus 1. 5 comma minus 1, I'm sorry, not 11. 5 comma minus 1 and divides the join of 9 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. Sorry, internally in the ratio 1:2. You know what it means? This is a straight line and this is our required straight line L. Now this our line is passing through 5 comma minus 1 and it passes through this point which divides, says this is point A which is 9 comma 2 and B which is 3 comma 4. So our line say at point P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. And say this is point Q. So you have to get equation of line PQ. Can you try please? Yes, please go ahead. We will have 2 points and the end. Yes, one is given. Perfect. So use section formula, get the coordinates of point P. You know, I told you that day also. So if I want to get the coordinates of P, if I don't want to commit a mistake, how do I write 1 plus this into 2 plus this by 1 plus 2, comma, 1 into this plus 2 into this upon 1 plus 2. Your first point is x1, y1. Second point, oh, you already got it. Very good. X2 is 3. X1 is 9. Did you get the point? Yeah. Is the point 7 comma 8 by 3? P is 7 comma 8 by 3. And your Q is 5 comma minus 1. Yes. It is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So you can either use 2 points form or you can find the slope and use point slope form and get the equation of line PQ. Correct? What do you want to do? Do you want to find the slope? It is 8 by 3 minus 1 upon 7 minus 5. That's 2. So what is the slope? 11 by 6. And then you get y minus y1 is equal to slope into bracket x minus x1. Somebody has already got the answer. 11x minus 6y is equal to 61. Could you do it on your own? Rutuja, please check the slope. Slope is not 1 by 6, beta. Slope is 11 upon 6. Yes, Soham. Rutuja, you will have to check your slope, please, because the equation of the line that what you are showing me has slope 1 by 6, and our slope that we got is 11 upon 6. Please check. Oh, you understood your mistake? Today's all the sums, oh, not yet. See, I have solved it. You can check whether your point P is right. अगर 2 points form किया भी तो करते हम लोग same ही है ना. X my, oh, you got it right. Very good. Ashwath got it right. Superb. I think Rutuja, you're still searching for the mistake. Oh, you got it. It's still a mistake. It's okay. You're most welcome. Anybody who wants me to, you want to see it from the beginning or you have already got it? Everybody got that? Malapan correct. Very good. Soham Patak, very, very good. Can I give you the next sum then? If this is sum number 2, if midpoint of the portion of a line intercepted between the coordinate axis is 4 by 5. Find the equation of the line. Midpoint of the portion of a line intercepted between the coordinate axis is 4 by 4, 5. Find the equation of the line. See this sum they can ask as a midpoint, or they can give you a point which is, this is dividing in some ratio, and then they can give the point also. Superb. Somebody got it right already. 5x plus 4y is equal to 40. That's the right answer. You will say let x-intercept be A, y-intercept be B. So your point A will be A, 0. Your point B will be 0, B. Your point P, which is 4,5, is a midpoint of AB. So you have to write using midpoint formula. 4,5 is x1 plus x2 upon 2, because this is HSC, college exam, you have only this thing, MCQs, it's fine. But if tomorrow you get subjective questions, then I'm just showing you how to write the steps. So it's 4,5 is A by 2, comma B by 2. So that gives you the value of A as 8, B as 10. So the required equation is x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept is equal to 1. The LCM is 40. So multiply throughout by 40. So you will have 5x plus 8y minus 40 is equal to 0 is the required equation. I'm so happy that you are all able to do. Oh, you want to see the question? I'm so sorry, I did not read. See, this is question. If the midpoint of the portion of the line intercepted between the coordinate axis is 4 by 5. Sorry, 8 by कैसे आया? No, beta. Again, some silly mistake maybe. 4 by आया ना? Very good. Yes, yes, Dahake. What do you want, beta? Ayush? You want to check the steps? 1 minute, please. Is this okay? Are you able to see? Oh, you did a silly mistake. Fine. It's one and the same, beta. 5x. See, my answer, I get it as 1 minute. Let me check what I have written. 1 minute, please. It is not 8y. Yeah, you are right. Thank you so much. Yes, it is 5x plus 4y. Thank you so much. Minus 40 is equal to 0. This is not 8. This is 4. I said 4. I wrote 8. That's fine. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. Got it? You know, कहाँ गलती होगी वो भी बोल देती हूँ, हाँ? You know, when they say that, say this point P, say 1, 2 or something, which divides this AB in the ratio say 2:5. तो normally क्या होता है ना? Suppose ये P लिया, ये Q लिया, तो 2:5 ना they write like this, which is wrong. X coordinates, I mean, X intercept से निकलना चाहिए. So this should be 2 and this should be 5. That is a common mistake. You understand? What you have to keep in mind if the ratio is given? All of you have to start, because when they say coordinate axis, now it is understood that you will take from x-axis. So the ratio should be taken from x-axis onwards. Okay? Great. Then I will give you the next. If the point -4, 5 is the vertex of a square, ये एक square का vertex दिया है, and one of its diagonals (7x minus y plus 8) is equal to 0. You have to find equation of the other diagonal. This is my sum number 3. Square draw करो. से एक पॉइंट दिया है -4,5. इट इज वन ऑफ द वर्टाइसेस. अभी ये एक डायगोनल है और ये दूसरा डायगोनल है. ओके, you know diagonals are congruent and they bisect each other at right angles also square में. अभी मेरे पास एक डायगोनल का इक्वेशन है. कौन है? मस्त कर रहे हैं सब लोग. सुपर्ब, योर आंसर इज राइट. x plus 7y is equal to 31. Yes, I'm solving only. पहले क्या करना है ना, you have to write the equation of the diagonal given. 7x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. And since -4,5, we have to check. You have to check if -4,5 lies on it or not. तो x की जगह -4 डालो, y की जगह 5 डालो. Is that equal to 0? Tell me. So it's not satisfying. So it is not equal to 0. Correct? मतलब LHS is not equal to RHS. What does that mean? What does that mean? मतलब अगर मैं इसको नाम दे दूं A, B, C and D, तो मेरा it can't be diagonal BD. Understand why? You understood the logic? Because वो point B is not lying on this diagonal, so it cannot be BD. Correct? So it has to be diagonal, implies that it has to be equation of diagonal AC. तो अभी अपने को BD का इक्वेशन निकालना पड़ेगा, right? हाँ? Now you tell me what is the slope of diagonal AC. बोलो क्या है? ये इक्वेशन है. 7x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. अपना हम लोग स्लोप कैसे निकालते हैं? एक तो ये y उधर ले लो, तो y is equal to 7x plus 8. कैसे? So slope is 7. How is my BD? बोलो BD. BD is perpendicular to AC. So slope BD आएगा मेरा -1/7. Negative reciprocal. Correct? Are you getting it? तो अभी slope point form निकालो. It is passing through -4,5. Should I show you the figure? You understand? मतलब BD है ये, अगर मैं अभी just showing you BD जिसका slope है -1/7 and it is passing through B, whose coordinates are given to you, -4,5. ये x1 y बनाए, so you can get equation of this, correct? Y minus y1 is equal to slope into bracket x minus x1. Everybody got it? Huh? Yes, ma'am. Very good. You are solving on your own. I'm so happy. X plus 7y is equal to 31. Is your answer right? Anybody who has got any other answer is wrong. You got it right. Very good. Is the speed okay? Are you able to do the sums on your own? You're not copying it today. Everything is fine. Thank you so much. Great. Can I give you the next sum? Anybody still writing? Okay. I think the sum number 4, I guess. The sides of the parallelogram, ये parallelogram दिया है. दो साइड्स है, एक साइड है विच इज पैरेलल टू 5x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड ये एक साइड है 7x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. एक ये लाइन को पैरेलल है एंड एक ये लाइन को पैरेलल, सॉरी चले, मतलब ये इसका और इसका स्लोप है. अगर मैं इसको नाम दे दूं ए बी सी डी, इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. अभी ये ऊपर के लाइन का स्लोप क्या है? Slope is 5, y is equal to mx. So I can write slope AB and slope DC, both are 5. Similarly, slope AD and slope BC is -7. Correct? अभी और क्या दिया है? The sides of the parallelogram are parallel to these lines, and if 1, 3 and -2, 4 is a pair of opposite vertices. You have to get equations of all sides. Get equations of all sides. Will you try? Yes, chapter will get over today. Yes. I hope you have understood all the concepts. We have done all variety of problems. What seems small now? I'll keep the figure in front of you and thoda नीचे लेते हो. Equations of AB and BC will be of the form क्या होगा? Slope is 5 है. So y is equal to 5x plus c1 and y is equal to 5x plus c2. ऐसा होगा. Only we need to get the values of c1 and c2. You want me to repeat the question? Okay, I will. ABCD is a parallelogram. One pair of parallel sides, जैसे मैंने AB and CD लिया, they are parallel to 5x minus y is equal to 0. Other pair of parallel sides, AD and BC, are parallel to 7x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. Then they have given you one pair of opposite vertices. 1, 3 and -2, 4. कोई भी point ले लो. You have to get equations of AB, BC, CD and AD. तो अगर you know what I'll do is मैं अभी छोटा करती हूँ तो तुम लोग सब देख पाओगे. I'll show you here so that you can see the figure by the side. मैंने अगर A को पकड़ा 1, 3, उसका opposite vertex हो गया C -2, 4. Correct? No, they are not the sides. They are parallel to the sides. इसलिए मैंने लिखा देखो यहाँ. Equations of AB and BC are this. So they will be of this form. Since AB मतलब AB passes through A 1, 3. Correct? AB passes through A 1, 3. So क्या होगा अभी? Y is equal to 5x plus C1 is passing through A. A point क्या है अपना बोलो? 1, 3. मतलब x के जगह 1, y के जगह 3. So 3 is equal to 5 into 1. The point lies on the line, implies that C1 is minus 2. So I got equation of AB is y is equal to 5x minus 2. समझा सबको? अगर AB A से पास होती है तो DC will pass through C. For DC, which is y is equal to 5x plus C2 is passing through C. C point क्या है? minus 2, 4. So y के जगह 4, x के जगह minus 2. तो ये -10 उधर जाके +10 होगा, तो you will get C2 as 14. So equation क्या होगा? y is equal to 5x plus 14. ये हो गया मेरा equation of DC. आया सबको? You understood how the problem is taking us, सोचना पड़ता है, but if we do variety of problems, we will be able to tackle any sum. Okay, great. Now you tell me what is going to be equation of AD, which form? Equation of AD. बोलो. AD का स्लोप क्या है बोलो? AD का स्लोप हम लोगों ने निकाला है. AD का स्लोप -7. परफेक्ट. So AD का इक्वेशन लोगे तुम लोग, y is equal to -7x plus C3 and passes through A. Correct? Are you getting it? अभी A के coordinates क्या है बोलो? 1, 3. So y के जगह 3, x के जगह 1. You got the concept? That gives you C3, the value is 10. So equation of AD आया y is equal to -7x plus 10. तो तुम सब एक जगह लेके you can write the answer. That much you can do, I think, right? And last वाला क्या था? Equation of BC will be of the form y is equal to -7x plus C4 and passes through which point? C, which is -2, 4. So y के जगह 4, x के जगह -2. So ये 14 है, वहां जाके -14 होगा. So your C4 will be -10. एक मिनट, let me. So equation होगा y is equal to -7x -10. So 7x plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Absolutely right. एक मिनट, let me try it. Now is it visible? Check please. So we have done all problems. Okay. We have completed, we have done all 4 sides ka equations we got. Huh? Now we will do the next sum. Length of the perpendicular, sum number 6 hai kya? Yes, I can show you the entire sum once. Yes, beta. It is too long, but I will wait. Let me first reduce the size. It goes faint, but when you reduce the size. एक मिनट है. Oh my God. दिख रहा है क्या? थोड़ा बढ़ाओ. ये बहुत बहुत आगे आ गया, रुको। हाँ ये देखो, यहाँ से देखो। Now is it visible? अच्छा, you can zoom from our side. Okay, thank you so much. अच्छा, okay. I will show you the entire sum and you will zoom. Are you able to see? Understood the sum. Very good. Hemangi ma'am, please send them the recording, huh? In case if they missed anything. Okay, I will give you the next question. Thank you so much. Length of the perpendicular is going very faint, right? From the origin length of the perpendicular, एक minute है बेटा, एक minute. Length of the perpendicular from the origin on line L is 3 units. It's light, na? एक minute, huh? एक minute. Okay, I will use some other color. Fine. I will change the color. Okay. Yellow is not visible, na? 1 minute, just a minute. एक मिनट, हाँ, चेंज कलर ले लो क्या, कौन सा ले लो? Which will be I think this is fine. Red color. Change color पे करती हूँ, एक मिनट. This I will practice tonight, huh? So that you will have red. I doubt whether red will be. See, yellow is okay with you. I'll just see. Is this okay? Didn't change, na? Wait, let me. So sorry, bachcho. It's not happening. I'm trying to increase the thickness only. Still not seen, kya? Please zoom in. Acha, thickness will automatically increase. Okay. Dekho, is this okay? Just give me one name. I will definitely practice this. Actually, I had too many lectures, so I did not get time to practice. Next lecture, I'll be perfect. Don't worry. Huh? Thank you. Just see if it is okay now. Length of the perpendicular from, I will read out. Length of the perpendicular from the origin on line L is 3 units. Is 3 units. Ink pen option. See, I can definitely try all this. Again, it got faint. Abhi? If the normal makes, see अभी yellow आया देखो, I change the color. If the normal makes 240 degrees with positive x-axis, with positive x-axis, length of the perpendicular from the line L, I repeat, length of the perpendicular from the origin, length of the origin, length of the perpendicular from the origin length of the perpendicular from the origin to line L is 3 units. If the normal makes 240 degrees with positive x-axis, yes, I will. Better just give me today's day, I will practice, don't worry. If the normal makes 240 degrees with positive x-axis, you have to get equation of line L. See here, no, all, yes, somebody got it right. Alpha is 240 degrees and P is 3 units. So don't you think it is x cos alpha plus y sine? Oh yeah, I'll give it 2 minutes, no problem. Because here no angle made by the normal is given and length of the normal given. So you have to make use of normal form. X cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to P. P is 3. You know how to find cos of 240 below? Everybody knows how to find cos of 240. What is 240? 180 plus 60. So it is cos of pi plus theta minus cos of theta. So it's minus cos of 60. So it's minus half. So here you will be putting minus half. So it is x into minus half plus y into, now sine of pi plus theta minus sine of theta. So it is minus sine 60. So it's minus root 3 upon 2 is equal to 3. X cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to P. Correct? So multiplying throughout by minus 2. Multiply throughout by minus 2. So you will have x plus root 3y is equal to minus 6. So यहाँ आके plus 6 is equal to 0 is the required equation. See if you understand this. परसों ना हम लोगों ने एक sum किया था. You got it right. Very nice. Very nice. We had done one sum, but it is given in another form, which I want you to do. I will just keep quiet for 2 minutes. परसों किया है हम लोगों ने sum. They have given you equilateral triangle. Vertex of the equilateral triangle is say 1, 2. This is point A. An equation of BC is given. X plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. You have to get equations of other two sides, AB and AC. It is an equilateral triangle. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Correct. You want the previous sum again? एक मिनट, पहले प्रीवियस सम किसको देखना है? हाँ पर अच्छा, length of the perpendicular from the origin on the line L is 3 units, and if the normal makes 240 degrees with positive x-axis, you have to get the equation of line L. तो विथ रिस्पेक्ट अपने को इक्वेशन निकालना है लाइन एल का, बट डेटा दिया है नॉर्मल का, सो आई थिंक ऑफ नॉर्मल फॉर्म. करेक्ट? सो अल्फा इज 240 एंड p is 3 units. So equation of the line in the normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Alpha के जगह 240 and p के जगह 3. Cos of pi plus theta, you know, because it's coming in the third quadrant, cos and sin both are negative. And pi hai, so integral multiple hai pi ka. So cos will remain cos and sin will remain sin. Is that clear to you? So this is our next sum. Equilateral triangle is given. Yes, beta, Bhavesh, bolo. Zoom in very much. But then you are not able to see the whole. Is this okay? Click on right bottom option and make the font dark. Right bottom. See, actually, I know, but you know, I don't want any kind of disturbance in the lecture. Acha, restart the app. If you are just able to adjust just for today, na, by no, tomorrow I will practice properly. You give me the toughest of the toughest sums, is all I can. But I will definitely practice before your next lecture. But my font is barely visible. Wait a minute. Huh? I don't want that to happen. Just a minute. You're not able to see Abibi? Yeah, next time, yes. Okay. I will, beta. I will, Manas. Just, hey, somebody got it right. Rutuja, very good. Did you find slope of BC? It's -1. And you will say slope of AB or AC. You take it as m because you will be getting two values of m. परसों हमने यही sum किया था. 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Do you remember? Only it was in a different form. You know why? Because angle between the two lines in each case is 60 degrees. Then use tan 60 mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Yeah, tan theta is plus minus root 3. Perfect. Very, very good. Therefore, you will have root 3 is mod of m plus 1 upon 1 minus m. चाहिए तो तुम लोग स्क्वायरिंग एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग भी कर सकते हैं, या एक साइड लेके जो रैशनलाइज, आई हैड रैशनलाइज इट लास्ट टाइम ना. So let's square and cross multiply 3 into 1 minus m the whole square. Last time मैंने plus minus लेके किया था, इस बार हम लोग अलग से करते हैं. So we will be all proof. Correct? यहाँ तो आएगा m square plus 2m plus 1. And here each term will be multiplied by 3. So it is 3 correct? Are you getting it? So you will have 2m square minus 8m. Yeah, I will show you the diagram. Yes. Think. It is an equilateral triangle. The vertex A has coordinates 1, 2. Equation of line BC is given as x plus y plus 3. You know, AB and AC, both the sides will make 60 degrees each with the line BC, whose slope is -1. So you assume slope of AB or AC as m, because you will be getting two values of m. One will correspond to AB, the other will correspond to AC. So I use this formula m1 minus m2 wala. Last time we had taken plus or minus and we had rationalized. Now here we are dividing by 2. So we have m square minus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. Abhi ye factorizable to hai nahi. So use the formula for quadratic equation. Your A is 1. Do you remember that? B is minus 4 and C is 1. You know, B minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. So M is minus B. So minus of minus 4 plus or minus square root of iska square minus 4 into A into C, that is 4 upon 2A. Correct? Four by 2 is 2 plus or minus ये root 12 है ना, तो 4 3s मतलब ये आता है 2 root 3 divided by 2. So plus or minus root 3. Correct? तो यहाँ पे छोड़ सकते हो. Then equation is it is passing through which point? AB is passing through A, whose coordinates are 1, 2, and say slope you take 2 plus root 3. So y minus y1 is equal to slope into bracket x minus x1. You can leave it here also, no problem. Or you can say, if you want, you can simplify. Right? Opening brackets was messing the question. Okay. What you understood how to do? This will come for how many marks? See, abhi to na, because of this COVID, now there are only MCQs. But this sum can come for 4 marks. Abhi MCQ mein sab, each question is for 2 marks. See, I am not just thinking of your college exam. I want you to be prepared for everything. We are doing all variety of sums because इस बार paper भी easy होगा, standard होगा. But see, our knowledge has to go on, no? That's why I am. And दूसरा equation क्या होगा? यहाँ minus होगा. तो I can combine ना, अभी चलेगा ना? Yes. Anybody writing, copying, then I can wait. Done writing. Okay. Everyone has finished, then I'll give you the next sum to try. I'm giving you 1 good minute to try, huh? I will, because every time I'm saying, but I'm solving, so I don't want that to find equation of the line. What's happening? You have to find equation of the line parallel to x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 at a distance of 2√5 units from the point 1, 3. Simple समय करो try 1 minute. चलो. You want me to draw the figure? Somebody is saying done. Answer to the previous question. Wait a minute. These are the answers. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into bracket x minus x1. तो AB का आप एक साइड का इक्वेशन लिख सकते हैं विद 2 plus √3 and another ये फाइनल आंसर. Because this includes both. मैंने प्लस माइनस लिखा है. एक आंसर विल बी प्लस, दूसरा आंसर विल बी माइनस. ओके. Remember, any line parallel to this will have equation of this form. X and y will remain the same. Correct? Line parallel to this will be of this form. So ये है मेरी line x plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. अभी ये line is at what distance बोलो? It is at a distance of 2√5 from the line. ये point है 1, 3 and this distance is 2√5 units. You have to get this equation of the line. Means in short, we have to get the value or values of c. Chalo, try. X plus 2y plus 3 and minus 1. Ekdam right. Absolutely correct. Tuhin, very good. This distance is mod of A ka value 1, B ka value 2 and C ka value is C. It is A x1 plus B y1 plus C upon root of a square plus b square, correct? x1 है 1 and y1 है 3. Correct? So ये 2 root 5 into root 5, तो 5 ये 10 होगा फिर. ये root 5 होगा ना, तो root 5, so 10 is mod of c plus 7. तो जब ये रिमूव करोगे तो प्लस और माइनस 10 लेना है, तो c plus 7 is either 10 or c plus 7 is minus 10. Got it? So value of c is either 3 or minus 17. So what are the required equations? X plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. I think most of you got it. Very good. X plus 2y minus 17 is equal to 0. This and this. There are two lines from that given point which are parallel to this line at a given distance. Correct? हो गया कि बोलो हाँ? How two equations can come? क्यों नहीं आएंगे? Yes, I will show you the diagram. ये मेरी दी हुई लाइन है, ये मेरा दिया हुआ पॉइंट है 1,3 और whatever. ओके, ये है 1,3. अभी at a distance of 2 root 5 there could be one line here or one line maybe here, and both are parallel to this line. Are you getting it? Are you convinced now? Yes, very good. I'm so happy that you are asking this. You are trying to visualize, which is very, very good. You can ask me the silliest of silliest question also, because that is improving your thinking. And it's so good. Very good, Manas. Good question. Because many people just get this answer, and then they will go ahead. You have to think how it looks. Very, very good. Chalo. Can I go to the next sum, please? ऐसा sum तो ना typical MCQ का है, इसलिए that's why I'm giving you. The foot of the perpendicular तुम लोग करो हाँ ये from 2, -5 on the line 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. ये है is dot dot dot. 4 options है इसमें. Basically you have to get foot of the perpendicular. Perpendicular निकाला है 2, -5 से on the given line. Are you trying? Yeah, please go ahead. somebody got the right answer. Superb, absolutely right answer. Did you get the equation of that? ये लाइन है 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. तो इसका स्लोप है तुम लोगों का 3/4. तो मेरा ये परपेंडिकुलर का स्लोप होगा -4/3 and it is passing through which point? What is the point given? 2, -5. तो इसका इक्वेशन निकालना है. y minus y1 is equal to slope into bracket x minus x1. आया बराबर? So it is 3y plus 15 is minus 4x plus 8. So equation आया अपना 4x plus 3y is minus 7. Abhi you have to solve this with this simultaneously. So you will get the point of intersection. Yeah. Because this is the foot of the perpendicular, which is the point of intersection of this line and this line. Oh, you did by the formula. Very good. Chalta hi hai. If you know it, nothing like it. But when you are solving subjectively, na ye formula shayad na chale. In MCQs, it is okay. Not in subjective. Yes, method is important. You are right. So funny it is that you can use for HSC or FYJC only that which is given in the textbook. अपने को shortcuts बहुत पता है, but that you can utilize only in MCQs. Are you getting it? Formula is allowed in MCQs. Yes. यहाँ मत करो use. Okay. I can explain the method again. Yes, 100%. See, I'll show you. ये जो line है, you want me to draw again or you understand? ये जो line है, उसका equation मेरे पास already है. ये equation है. जिसका slope है negative x का coefficient upon coefficient of y. So ये line का slope आया 3/4. ये जो मेरी line है, it is because perpendicular hai, that perpendicular will have a negative reciprocal of this 3/4. So it is -4/3. So ye jo perpendicular line hai, it has got this slope and it is passing through the point given 2, -5. So I know the point, I know the slope. So मैंने slope point form use किया, y minus y1 is equal to ye slope into bracket x minus x1. I cross multiplied. I got x and y on one side, number on the other side. So अभी मेरे पास कौन से दो equations हैं? I have equation of this line. I have equation of this perpendicular line. अभी ये दोनों मैं simultaneously solve करूँगी तो मुझे ये foot of the perpendicular मिलेगा. Are you clear about this method also? So will you please solve? You have to solve the equation 3x minus 4y minus 4y is equal to -10. ये एक इक्वेशन है. एंड दूसरा इक्वेशन जो अभी अपना आया वो 4x plus 3y is equal to -7. Since these signs are opposite for y, you can multiply so that you can add. So we'll multiply the first equation by 3. So ये आएगा 9x minus 16y is negative 30. यहाँ इसको multiply करो. 12y, sorry. And यहाँ 4 से multiply करो. 16x बहुत पतला गया. plus 12y you're most welcome. अभी ये ऐड कर लो तो अपना आ गया ना 25x is minus 58. So x आ गया अपना minus 58 upon 25. अगर none of these options नहीं है MCQ में and minus 58 upon 25 वाला एक ही option है, so don't get y also. Correct? यहाँ तो foot of the perpendicular, यहाँ तो option है none of these. So we have to get y. You understand what I'm saying? So substitute and get the value of y. So 19 by 25 आएगा y. इसमें डाल दो. तो पॉइंट आएगा या minus 58 upon 25. Got it? Hey, you all know harmonic progression, na? HP. Okay. I'll give it 2 sums for homework because I'm ending the lecture at 8:15, huh? Take these as homework sums, huh? If perpendicular distance, I know it is faint. Of the line can I dictate, please? Just write down now. If perpendicular distance of the line, x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, from the origin is p upon root 2 units. Is p upon root 2 units. If perpendicular distance of the line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 from the origin is p upon root 2 units. Show that ऐसे मस्त समझ है टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है a square p square b square are in HP, harmonic progression. I repeat, if perpendicular distance of the line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 from the origin is p upon root 2 units. Show that A square comma P square comma B square are in HP. Are in HP, harmonic progression. Okay, it is not at all a difficult sum, but little different type of, yes, it's a parameter. You know what is a parameter? It is a real number. Yes. Okay, so with this homework, I think we have done good many sums of straight lines, and I will send one worksheet to Hemangi ma'am, and oh, solve the sum. Very good, superb, smart kid. Very, very, very good, Ashwath. Thank you so much. You want one more question? Okay. Two sides of the isosceles triangle are given. Isosceles triangle के दो sides दिए हैं. 7x minus y plus 3 is 0. Yeah. Seven x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. दो sides दिए हैं. And third side passes through 1 comma minus 10. Get its equation. It is an isosceles triangle, huh? It is an isosceles triangle. जिसके दो sides के equations are given. 7x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. And the third side passes through 1 comma minus 10. You have to get its equation. Get equation of the third line. Okay? Are you clear? Chalo, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye. Hello? 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 हो आता just झाले. Hello?